Kuya Edo po.
2%.
Thank you sa walang sawang pagsuporta. Ikaw ang tumulong sa akin para mas mabus pa ang aming confidence. Kahit na po makulit at straightforward ka. Minsan doon bumanat. Sobrang salamat din po sa iyo. You're one of the reasons why I am here standing in front of you. At nakakapagsalita ng ganito sa ganito maraming tao. I hope na hindi ka magsama magbigay ng mga advices and help me to boost more my confidence. I really appreciated all the efforts at mga pagkakaga mo para sa akin. I don't know how to express it, but I know you can see it in my eyes. But what I wanted to say, until now I could not believe that these things really happened. Sino mag-aakala na yung dati pinapanood ko lang ay makakaharap at makakasama ko na pala. And most of it, we are here. We give smile and good vibes to those people, especially sa mga OFW na mostly nagmamahal gusto ko para sa atin. I'm not expecting that my crush will become my meeting room.
Sana, grabe.
Talagang consider pag kumilos na. Like before, you didn't understand me that I exist, but look. Now you will understand me. Kasi I'm always in our journey as a Kalingap Love teams. You're one of those blessings I got. Dahil sa iyo, bukod kay Kuya Rob, binagyo po kami ng blessings na never ko in-expect. Alam ko kung marami na ang galing yan sila nakilala niyo noon. Sabihan sila nasa harapan niyo ngayon. At kung ano man po ang nakikita niyo sa ngayon, it's because of you. In 16 years of my life, we struggled a lot. We faced many challenges in life, but as the days passed, those experiences helped me to become more stronger and taught me a lot on hulad na tuhan ng hirap na ng buhay. Basta magtiwala at mag-pray lang kay God. Darating ang araw na lahat ng desires ng ating puso basta para sa ipagbuti. I granted ni Lord, we just need to wait the right and perfect time. And all our prayers and wishes will all be granted. Just like what happened. And minsan na hanggang di ko po naisip na I will become one of the member of those Kalingap Angels.